2014, Stoughton and RoboVent embarked on a journey to develop the perfect clean air solution for the Stoughton fabrication shop. This journey consisted of initially establishing the objectives. See, what's the goal? What are we trying to achieve here?
The solution that we developed entailed working with our engineering crew very much on the front side with the results from vent mapping.
Vent mapping is a process that RoboVent developed that can simulate the environment within a facility before any product is installed.
They were able to tell us the amount of airflow needed and the amount of filtration needed in each of the 3 segmented areas that were in question.
Within the couple months that they were here, they were very professional about communicating with me. They always made sure that they consulted with the right people to make sure that where they were going to be working wasn't going to conflict with our production, because during the entire 2 months that they were here, they didn't cause one delay in our production and everything kept running smoothly.
Everything was in constant contact with our welders. I would get feedback that would come from a welder to the supervisor or to one of your guys back to me. We'd go look at it, we'd make a change.
We're very passionate to improve the performance of manufacturers by cleaning up the air, cleaning up the facility, providing a workplace that workers want to come to work. They desire to come to work. They're excited about coming to work. That's so different here at Stoughton.
We use a hybrid solution of both high vacuum source capture units for fume guns and an ambient vortex system to create an air pattern in each quarantined area. We also developed a curtain system with shaded strip curtains on the lower half of each area and a clear curtain around the top of each area to totally quarantine each space, keeping it under negative pressure to allow the dust to stay in that area and not allow it to escape out into aisleways. So that hybrid system has really helped to clean up the facility.
My coworkers love it. It's better, it's cleaner, production is up due to the clear air, and it has improved our workers' morale as far as it doesn't tire you out as much because that smoke is not lingering around us as we're welding.
I'd have to say I'm very satisfied with what we've accomplished through RoboVent. Before, it was always smoky, even with our old method of fume extraction. Now it's crystal clear. We don't have as much dust accumulation on all of our tooling, which really cleans this place up.
I think that the impact on the facility is dramatic. Walking through the facility today with Jim, I asked him how it's impacted them, and he said, I mean, look at this place. He said last December we couldn't see the far wall. It was so full of dust. He said now you look out there and it's brighter, it's cleaner. It makes you feel better walking through the facility. So I think it's impacted everyone. I think it's impacted the employees on the floor here, and I think they feel better coming to work.